Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a war base in Clash of Clans. First, open your game and navigate to the war base editor. You'll find this option within your village layout editor. Once there, select the specific war base you wish to remove. Look for the delete icon, usually a red X or a trash can symbol. Confirm your decision when prompted. This process is straightforward, allowing you to manage your war layouts efficiently and make space for new designs. It only takes a few moments to complete. Before you finalize the deletion, there are a few important considerations. Remember, deleting a war base is a permanent action, and once it's gone, you cannot recover it. Ensure you have at least one other valid war base selected for upcoming wars. If you like the layout, but just want to remove it from your active war slots, consider saving it as a friendly challenge base first. This way, you can still use it for practice with clanmates. If you've deleted a war base and now need a new one, creating it is simple. Head back to your layout editor and choose an empty war base slot. You can either design a completely new layout from scratch or copy an existing home village design and modify it. Once your new base is ready, save it and make sure to set it as your active war base. This ensures your clan is always prepared for battle with a strong defense. To maintain a strong defense, always follow some best practices for your war bases. Never use your home village layout as a war base. War bases require unique designs to prevent easy 3-star attacks. Regularly update your war bases, perhaps every few months, to counter evolving attack strategies and new troop compositions. Finally, test your war bases frequently with clanmates using friendly challenges to identify and fix any weaknesses before a real war.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.